What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Taurus.
And I am Maria.
And we are back with another weekly message video. So this message is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising for January 16th to February 1st.
Yes, and if you guys would like personal readings, we now offer those. Check our description box for more information. Let's get right into it. Alright, Spirit, connect some messages for Taurus for January 16th to February 1st. Messages for Taurus, January 16th to February 1st. Gonna give it one more shuffle. Oh wow. Okay.
Alright.
Here we go.
So, this is the Ten of Swords.
Yeah. The Eight of Wands.
The Temperance reverse.
King of Pentacles reversed.
The Five of Pentacles.
The Starman reversed.
God damn. The Princess of Pentacles.
The Six of Wands.
The Title card. And Death. Alright, Taurus. So I feel like
All major arcana.
you're going through some major shit, like, right off bat. So I feel like you may be in a situation where you may be facing homelessness, or you may be facing poverty, or you may be facing something that makes you very, very uncomfortable, that puts you in this Five of Pentacles position, with it being in the center of the reading.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like in being in this position currently, it makes me feel like you may feel powerless. Like, you might not feel like yourself. You might not feel like you can create anything, or you can do anything. You probably feel like, things are slowing down, or, you know what I'm saying? Like, or you might be getting a lot of communication about what you can't do and how you pretty much suck, is what this feels like. It just feels like you feel like you suck, and I feel like, other people are kind of telling you, like, Taurus, like, you're out of control, you're not balanced, you know what I'm saying, you're stressing me out, you're stressed out, you know what I'm saying, you're not making any money, you're not doing anything, you're not, or, like, you know what I'm saying, it just feels bad. And I feel like, again, if this is past, present, future, it makes me feel like you're putting an end to that situation. You're transforming how you feel now, how you felt before, and you're rebirthing yourself. And I feel like in doing that, you're creating something new for yourself, by yourself, and it's being, like, there's success.
Mm-hmm. I was feeling the same thing when you were saying, like, you feel powerless. I was thinking, like, disempowered, if that's a word. But yeah, I was definitely getting that from the Starman in reverse. And then from this card, I was kind of getting frantic, like desperate type energy. But this is like by the book, this is like fast communication. But like with this Five of Pentacles energy being right in the middle, like Ty was saying, like, you could be facing some sort of homelessness or poor or lack mindset or something like that. And that's kind of in the center of your mind and what you're focusing on right now. So I definitely feel like you're being frantic and you're feeling disempowered. Like, this is the Starman is in reverse, the Temperance is in reverse, so you feel out of balance, almost like you aren't in control of, like, your life, and you don't know what to do, so you're trying to do something, but you know what I'm saying? Like, that frantic type shit. And you're stressed out mentally, probably because you're just focusing on this. I feel like, though, if you focus on maybe it in reverse, or just focus on what you have, be grateful, this could definitely all turn around.
At the bottom of the deck, you have the Empress reverse, the Lovers, and the Emperor, all major arcana. So I feel like aren't the Empress and the Emperor counterparts?
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like maybe your feminine and masculine energies are imbalanced. since we're talking about you, we're talking about, you know, it being yourself, then, oh, what's up? Welcome. Since we're talking about it being yourself, I'm just going to assume it's the feminine and masculine aspects of yourself. So I feel like you may be trying to or you need to take control over your emotions, or you need to take control over the things that you're trying to birth, or, you know what I'm saying, the things that you love. Maybe you need to or stand more in your feminine power. Like, maybe your feminine power is what's out of balance. Like, maybe you need to be giving some more love to yourself and some more attention to nourishing the things that, like you said, you can do, the things that you can create, the things that you already have. Because the Empress, to me, kind of corresponds with this Princess of Pentacles, because they're both about, like, you know, birthing and new energy, and, you know what I'm saying, like something kind of powerful. But again, I feel like this is in its baby stages. So I feel like because you're in your baby stages of something, you feel powerless, like you feel like it's not going to work, but I feel like it is. You just have to stay focused on it, keep nourishing it for it to turn around.
All right, let's get some advice for Aries. Taurus, Lord of mercy.
Might be dealing with an Aries.
Yeah,
the energy is gaining momentum. So yeah, don't stop what it is that you're doing. That you're creating. I was about to say, let me rephrase, because if you were feeling powerless, definitely stop feeling powerless.
Yeah.
The energy is gaining momentum. And if you want to continue to feel powerless, then yeah, by all means, that energy is still going to gain momentum, and you're just going to see more of that more quickly.
Adjustments required. Adjustments are required.
So yeah, I feel like the adjustment is to change your thoughts.
Right. Get out of this Ten of Swords energy about the situation.
Yeah, and like Yanni said, to focus more on your, like, on being grateful, like focus more on your gratitude to really bring in this success and this prosperity and these new things that you want in your life. But I do feel like this is definitely major. Like, this is huge. So I feel like something huge is about to come in. Like, something really big, something you might not even expect. Boom. The answers you need are coming. So
Quickly.
yeah, that is what we have for you, Taurus. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any new videos. And for those of you that are interested, check out our Patreon. We're creating our very own deck called the Celebrate Life Tarot. We're also offering personal readings, so if you would like clarity on a specific situation in your life, reach out to us. All of that information is in the description box. So, you are truly legendary, and until next time, bye.